Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch exercise and we will draw these lines and we will apply the relations and dimensions. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, you have to just come in new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing this sketch, first thing first, we have to choose a plane. And in SolidWorks, we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. Or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now, just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. Now we have an open sketch. We have to firstly start drawing the sketch from the origin point. So I draw these lines here and then I will mirror these lines to this side of the center line. So here I choose line and here I have a vertical line. So here I draw a vertical line and you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, my line will be connected to the origin point. Now I have to draw a vertical line. So you can see as I move the line here, a yellow symbol appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. Now we have a horizontal line. So here I draw a horizontal line. So you can see the yellow symbol here, a horizontal line. And here I have a vertical line. So I draw a vertical line. Here I have a horizontal line. So a vertical line and a horizontal line. Sorry, a horizontal line, and here we have a vertical line. So I draw a vertical line, and again here we have a horizontal line. So I draw a horizontal line here, and here we have a vertical line. Now a horizontal line here, so I draw a horizontal line, and a line here, and here, and a line here. Now I have to connect these 2 points by a center line. So here I choose center line and I connect these 2 points. I connect origin point to the line. Sorry, I connect origin point to the line here. If my mouse is not working very good. Yes. Here choose hide and show items, and if you can't see the relations, you can turn on view sketch relations or turn on the view sketch dimensions if you can't see the dimensions or the relations. Now all we have to do is just applying the dimensions. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 10 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to this point is 10 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 20 millimeter. Now these 2 lines are collinear. So here I choose in add relation I choose collinear relation or horizontal relation, it doesn't matter. And here these 2 lines are collinear. So I choose these 2 lines. I choose these 2 lines, and in add relation I give it collinear relation. And choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this line to the line here is 18 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 60 millimeter. And the dimension from this line to the line here is 40 millimeter. So what's wrong here? So hold the Control Z. Let me see what's the problem. So, yes, it is 40 millimeter. Yes, it is 40 millimeter. And hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this line and the line here, and in add relation give it equal relation. Now these 2 lines have the same dimension. My sketch is not still fully defined because the lines here are still blue and my sketch is still moving, and the dimension of this line is 30 millimeter. You can see my sketch is full defined and everything is black. Now all I have to do is just mirror these lines to this side of the center line. And for doing that, here choose mirror entities and here choose mirror about and choose the center line. And this is the reason why I have drawn this center line. Now choose the entities to mirror here and choose this line. So you can see the yellow lines here. It means that if I choose okay, the lines here will be copied to this side of the center line, and don't forget to choose the copy. And please choose these lines, click on these lines, the black lines, and here okay. Now my sketch is fully fine and everything is black and my sketch is not moving. Please do it yourself and practice at home, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Thanks for watching this video.